Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for another amazing day. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, y'all. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I want to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this here Crafty Vision segment on how to make this beautiful butterfly stackable bracelet. So we're going to make 3 bracelets today, y'all. All right, please do not skip through the video. If it's some ads, please try to watch through the ads. And what else? And make sure you thumbs up the video. So let's go ahead and get started. So yesterday I did a haul on some items that I purchased from Michael's, and I'm going to show y'all today how to make a bracelet using those items. So this was a butterfly. This was one of the items that I purchased yesterday, and it came, let me show you where it came from. It came on one of these string of butterflies, okay? It's 7 of them all together. They're pretty big. I think the size of these are 30 millimeters. So what I'm using for my cord is I'm using my Stretch Magic 1 millimeter. This stuff is the best. I've already taken the liberty and cut out my piece. Now I'm going to stretch my cord. The reason why you want to pre-stretch your cord is so that if you've ever gotten a bracelet before and you start wearing your bracelet, and then it's a bracelet that you really start really liking, okay, and you wear it every single solitary day, well, over time it's going to stretch. And if it's not pre-stretched, you'll know it because it will start gapping. You'll start having gaps in between your beads, okay, and that's very unattractive. And if you are someone who do not know how to take the beads off and restring the beads, then you just toss it in a trash can, and that's money wasted. So whenever you're making any type of stretch bracelets to sell, make sure you pre-stretch your cord. All right, y'all. So I am using some 8 millimeter wood beads. These are some glass beads, but they are called light champagne glass. I purchased these yesterday from Michael's. Light champagne glass. These, and they come in 4 different sizes: 6 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter. These are the 8 millimeter ones, and 10 millimeter. Okay. I also purchased some spacer beads. So let me tell you how many you're going to need. You're going to need 9 of the wood beads. These you can get from Amazon.com. Okay. You're going to need 8 of these. You're going to need 16 of the spacer beads and 2 of these 3 millimeter. Okay. Of course, your piece and your stretch. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all how I am going to be putting these on my cord. Okay. And the first one I'm going to add is my wood one. So I'm going to add on my wood one just like this. And then I'm going to add on a spacer bead. And then I'm going to add on one of my glass beads. And then I'm going to go back to another spacer bead. Okay. And then back to my wood bead. Okay. And you're going to do this through the whole entire bracelet. Okay, y'all, so basically this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now, would add some glue on the ends. Now, basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my 3 millimeter beads and I'm going to add those on just like that. And then I'm going to add my butterfly. So I'm going to slide this through just like that. Okay. And then on this side of my cord, I'm going to add my second 3mm bead. Okay. And bring that down. And that's what you're going to have. Now let me show you what it looks like. Okay. But that's what it's going to look like. Now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it a few times. So let's do that. I want to tie it. And you want to tie it as tight as you can tie it. Okay. And the reason why I put my butterfly on last, because I'm going to hide my knot inside of my butterfly. Okay. So I want to tie it. Try to tie it as tight as you can get it, but try not to tie it too tight because you don't want to pop it. Okay? You don't want to pop your knot. Whoops. Okay. And I'm going to tie it one more time. You can tie it as many times as you see fit, to be honest with you. Okay, one more. Now that was twice. This is 3 times. Okay. I'm going to show you. That's what it looks like. Trying to get as close as I can, just like that. And I want to try to pull it through the hole. Yep, just like that. So I don't know if y'all saw it go in. And then I'm going to slide it on my hand. And this is a perfect fit. So now we're going to go ahead and create another bracelet. And I have already taken the liberty to add on these beads right here. So I pretty much added the same beads on, but what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to add on some of the 10mm ones. So I'm going to add on a few more spacer beads. I think I got 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how that's going to look. As I'm going to put this over on this side of the wire, because I'm going to take and hide the knot inside of this bead here. All right, just like this. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to tie it. Like I said, I'm just going to do it twice. Get my finger out. So that's one time. Okay, and then I'm going to do it one more time. And that's twice. Okay, and this is what you're going to have. See how pretty that is? That's really pretty. Okay, you still can't really see it, but it's a, oop, I pulled it and it went right through. All right, so there you have it, y'all. Let's try this one on. This one is perfect too. So that would go back here. So that's 1, that's 2, and we're gonna do 1 more. Okay, y'all, so with this very last one, I put 23 8mm wood beads on here. Okay, and like I said, you can find these at Amazon.com. You get a nice size bag. And now I'm going to add on my spacer beads and my 10mm bead. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 on this side. Don't forget it's 23 8mm beads. And then I'm going to add on this 10 millimeter. And then on this side of my cord, I'm going to add on a spacer bead. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to tie it together. Just like this. When you tie it, you want to make sure that this bead, that the spacer bead is back here against this bead here. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to tie it, pull it, try to get it as tight as you can. And don't pull it too much though, because you don't want it to pop on you while you're doing this, because it will. And then do that. Okay. So that's one. And then I'm going to tie it one more time, just like this. Okay, boop, that's what we want to get. And then I'm going to take and see my bracelet, y'all. And I'm going to snip this off. And then, of course, you can hit it with some type of glue. You put your glue right there, and then you just take it and slide it right in. See how that went in? And look at this. Boop. And I'm going to place this right up here with this one. And then you have your stackables. Or I can place this one here in the middle if I want. But there you have it, y'all. Look at this. Ain't that pretty? And like I said, you can find the wooden beads. You can find those at Amazon.com. Now, they do sell wood beads inside of Michaels and Joann Fabrics and all that. But if you want bulk like this, you're going to have to get them from Amazon.com. Okay, so we have our stackable bracelets. And this is 3. And if you want to, you can add as many as you want. But this is different. It's unique. Okay, so with that being said, please make sure that you continue to thumbs up my videos so that I can continue to bring you all some Crafty Vision segments. All right, so happy crafting, everyone. I want to say thank y'all so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And this is our end result. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.